Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can open a PayPal account in Malaysia. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to do is access your browser and search in paypal.com and go to the official website. Otherwise, you can also install the app itself as well. Then from over here, to create your account, go ahead, tap on this option of sign up. Now go ahead, choose either you want a personal or a business account. Once you have chosen, tap on get started. And the major point would be if it's simply choosing your correct region. So what you're going to be doing is simply gonna go ahead and find your country. So we're gonna scroll through the options. Now once you have found country Malaysia right over here, go ahead, tap on it, and once you select your region, go ahead, add in your email. Once you have provided your email, you can tap on the next, where you will have to create yourself a password. Once you have created yourself a password, you will be able to create yourself an account. Now next step would be adding your payment methods and adding the funds and etc. Go ahead, add it accordingly, and you're good to go. That's basically how you do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.